Hey everybody, welcome to another one of my quick blog tips for traveling and such. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about dual citizenship. Yes, I'm a dual citizenship. So how does it work? Well, since I'm headed to the UK today, I check in with my British passport, I travel my British passport, I enter the UK in my passport, theoretically, technically I'm entering Europe on my passport. So needless to say, you know which side on Brexit I'm on. Anyway, as a Canadian, when I return, I have to check in, I have to return on my Canadian passport. Canadian law states that I have to enter Canada on my Canadian passport. So as someone who actually lives in the country, etc. That's all there is to it. You know, I check in, I leave on this, I come back on this.
So I'm all checked in, and it is a beautiful day for flying today. Blue skies, etc. It's going to be a nice flight, I hope. So the question is, what does this get me while I'm here in Canada? Absolutely nothing in terms of security. Imagine that. I still have to use my Nexus card if I want fast track or priority security, etc. So I can use that because they check it for ID. They don't use it to check you in and all that stuff. I'll use that on the way back to enter passport control. So here I go. Just arrived at baggage claim. Going through the UK border was fantastic. You know, very similar to Nexus, although even more streamlined. Put down a biometric passport, specifically UK or EU one. It scans it. It then takes your picture and then opens up the door and says, "Welcome to the UK." So, absolutely wonderful. So, yeah, very much liking that. I think Canada needs to invest in a similar system for Canadian residents as well. So